Feeling stuck by all the stuff? You don't need a weekend marathon, just 3 rooms and a timer. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and I help seniors move from overwhelmed to organized, one calm step at a time. Overwhelm is a decision pileup. We break it down by choosing low sentimental zones first and stacking wins fast. So let's get started. Room number 1, the bathroom. This is your warm-up. It's practical, not emotional. Toss empties and expired items. Keep only what you truly use. Replace a couple of tired towels. This will give you an instant morale boost. Room number 2, kitchen counters and pantry. Clear surfaces change how a home feels. Do 1 shelf or 1 section per 15-minute sprint. Label a daily zone for essentials and stash duplicates. Room number 3, your closet. Try-ons are not required. Use keep, share, and release. Keep if it fits, you wear it, and it suits your next season. Share for family and heirloom candidate items. Release for donate, consign, and recycle. The move shelf. Create a single shelf or a small area labeled move. Anything truly going to your next home sits there, clean, folded, and ready. As that shelf grows, you build momentum. 2 15-minute sprints a day for a week. That's 3.5 hours, enough to change how your home feels without burning out. Sentimental items you find. Save the story, not the storage. Snap photos, write a sentence, consider a small legacy box. Keep the meaning, not the mass. If you want my 1-page starter checklist and a friendly nudge, DM START or call text 763-257-7231, or you can send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com. I'm ready when you are.